Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you how to answer this one. We can use about polar coordinates. So in this one, I will put about x equals to r cosine theta, y equals to r sine theta. So we have x squared plus y squared. So I will put this one go in here and this one go in here. So we have r squared cosine theta squared plus r squared sine theta squared. So we have r squared and r squared. We can do about factorization. So this one, that is about number 1. Now, we know that we need to change dx, dy. That is about r dr d data. Now, we need to change the bounds about x. So, dx is greater than number 0 and smaller than this one. About y, y is greater than or equals to number 0 and smaller than or equals to ln number 2. Now, we need to graph about this one. So, I will put the power number 2 for the both sides to cancel the square root. So I will put this one go to the left. So we know that this is about the circle. And the center of this one, that is about 0, 0. And the radius, that is about ln number 2. And now we need to graph about this one. So this one, that is about ln number 2, ln number 2, negative ln number 2, negative ln number 2. So we can see that x is greater than or equals to number 0. That is about this one. And smaller than this one. So that is about this one in here. About y, that is from 0 to ln number 2. So here is about number 0. This one, that is about ln number 2. So we need to focus about this region. And now we need to change the double integrals in here. This one we put by r squared. So we have e to the power of the square root of r squared. dx, dy, we can transform into this one. So about dr, that is about the radius of the circle. That should be from 0 to ln number 2. About the data, so we start in here, that is about number 0, and we stop in here, that is about b over 2. So that should be about from 0 to b over 2. So we need to calculate this one. The square root of r square, that is about r. Now we need to do this integration. So we can use about integration by parts. So I will put about u equals to r. Later that we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have like this dv, that is about e to the power of r dr. The integration of this one, that is about v equals to e to the power of r. So this one we have u multiplied by v, and we put the bounds from 0 to ln number 2. This one we have the u multiplied by v, so that should be about e to the power of r dr. So we put ln number 2 gone here, number 0 gone here, and that is about number 2 ln number 2. The integration of this one, we have e to the power of r, and we put the bounds from 0 to ln number 2. So this one we have e to the power of ln number 2 minus e to the power of number 0. So this one we have number 2, this one we have number 1. So this one we have number 1. So the integration of this one, that is about data. So I will put b over 2 gone here, number 0 gone here, and now we have the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.